Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So yeah, lysosomes we are going to start. Okay. So let's just begin. So structurally, lysosomes are membrane-bound sacs filled with digestive enzymes. So basically, lysosomes are also sac-like. Okay, and inside them they have digestive enzymes. These enzymes are made up of RER. Okay, lysosomes are a kind of waste disposal system of the cell. These help to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material as well as the worn out cell organelles. So, lysosomes are basically that part which digest everything and they make the cell clean. See, for example, if cell is eating food, digesting the things and everything, there need a someone who is going to clean it. So they are lysosomes. Okay. Next, lysosomes which breaks complex substance into simple substance. Lysosomes are able to do this because they contain powerful digestive enzyme capable of breaking down all the organic material. Okay. So lysosomes are basically what they do. They convert simple substance into your complex substance into simple substance. And the question is why they do this or how they do this. So they do this because they have enzymes inside it. During the disturbance in cellular metabolism, for example, when the cell gets damaged, lysosomes may burst as the enzyme digest their own cells. Therefore, lysosomes are known as suicide bags. Very, very important. So we already read it. Now we are going to do it from our notes. Okay. So first of all, you will write lysosomes. Lysosomes are a kind of waste disposal system of the cell. Okay. So you already know waste disposal means everything which whatever waste it will be disposed inside it. They keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material. Second point. Third, lysosomes contain powerful digestive enzyme capable of breaking down all organic material. Okay. Third, they are known as suicide bag of the cell. Okay. So till 3 point you are going to write it from here. Okay. Then I'll tell you what you have to write. So just put a heading lysosomes and write 3 points. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next part, like the next point, we are going to write over here this. From here, when the cell gets damaged, lysosomes may burst and the enzyme digests their own cell. Therefore, lysosomes are also known as suicide bags of a cell. Clear?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, both of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just write the next point. Helps in intercellular digestion. Okay, not found in RBC of mammals. Okay, so the lysosomes help in intercellular digestion, and they are not found in RBC of mammals. Clear? Write these 2 points.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now after this, you are going to write the structure, which is very, very important. Structure, membrane bound sac filled with digestive enzyme. And these digestive enzymes, they are made up of RER. Clear? Very, very important. They just simply ask you the structure sometimes.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are going to start with the next, which is your mitochondria. Very, very important. You must be wondering them every time you just mentioned this only. Okay, so this is mitochondria are also known as the powerhouse of the cell. Okay. Mitochondria have two membrane covering. The outer membrane is porous while the inner membrane is deeply folded. Okay, so very, very important. Two membrane, outer one is porous, so it has holes over here, but the inner one it is folded. Like you can see, it is like this. Okay. These folds increase the surface area for ATP generating chemical reactions. The energy required for various chemical activities needed for life is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP. So ATP is basically, you can say, known as the energy currency of the cell. Okay, and because of this, mitochondria gets energy. Okay, so body uses energy stored in the ATP for making new chemical compounds and for mechanical work. Mitochondria are strange organelles in the sense that they have their own DNA and rhizome. Very, very important. Mitochondria, they have their own DNA as well as rhizome. Therefore, mitochondria are able to make some of their own proteins. Okay. So first of all, what you will write mitochondria are also known as powerhouse of the cell. And after that, you will write mitochondria have two pores covering. The outer covering is porous while the inner covering is deeply folded. Till here, then I'll tell you what you have to write. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, both of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next thing, okay, just write this. Mitochondria has own DNA and ribosomes. Okay, and can mix. Okay, wait. Don't write it from here. Just write this. Mitochondria are strange organelles in the sense. Just write this. Have their own. Mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosome. Therefore, mitochondria are able to make some of their own protein. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, both of you done?
No, ma'am.
Okay, done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now the last part you are going to write the energy required for various chemical activities needed for the life is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP molecules. Okay, and after that you will just write the next point. You'll just write this thing in bracket that ATP is also known as energy currency of the cell. Sometimes you get direct question. Dash is known as the energy currency of the cell. Okay. Okay. So from here you are going to write it, and here this one you are going to write in bracket.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, both of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now plastids. Okay. So plastids, first thing, they are only present in plant cells. Okay, they have their own DNA as well as ribosomes. Okay. Next, internal plastids contain numerous membrane layer embedded in a material called strena. Plastids, they are divided into three parts. Okay. First is chromoplast, second is chloroplast, third is leucoplast. Okay. So chromoplasts, they are color, they provide color, and chloroplasts, they are green in color and they provide the greenness, right? And the leucoplasts, they are colorless. So I'm just explaining this again. Plastids, they are only present in plant cell. They have their own DNA as well as ribosomes. Next, internally plastids contain numerous membrane layers. So if this is plastid, they have different layer inside. Okay, and material, they are made up of stroma. Okay, plastids, you have three types of plastids. First is chloroplast, chromoplast, chloroplast, and leucoplast. Chromoplast is color. It is color, like it has color. Okay, and chromoplast is green in color, and leucoplast is colorless. Okay, so chromoplast, basically it provides color. Chloroplast, it helps in photosynthesis as well as it is known as kitchen of cell. And leucoplast, it helps in storage of starch, protein, and protecting organelles. Clear? So we'll just quickly read it. Plastids are present only in plant cell. There are two types of plastids, chromoplast and well as leucoplast. Okay, so they have mentioned the chloroplast in other way. Okay, so chromoplasts containing the pigment chlorophyll are known as chloroplast. So chromoplasts, they contain the pigment which is over here, but I mentioned like chromoplast, and other one is chloroplast. It is green in color. Okay. Next, chloroplasts are also contain various yellow and orange pigment in the addition to chlorophyll. Leucoplasts are primarily organelles in which materials such as starch, oils, protein granules are stored. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, you will write plastid. Then you will write plastids are only present in plant cell. There are two types of plastids, chloroplast, colored plastid, and leucoplast, white or colorless plastid. Then third point, chromoplasts containing the pigment chlorophyll are known as chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are important for photosynthesis in plant. Chloroplasts also contain various yellow and orange pigment in addition to chlorophyll. Okay. And then you will write leucoplasts are primarily organelles in which materials such as starch, oil, and protein granules are stored. Clear?
Yes. Done, ma'am.
Both of you done? Yes. Okay. So one more line you are going to write. These are similar to mitochondria in external structure. Okay. And then you will write. They have plastids have. Don't write also write plastids have their own DNA and ribosomes. These two lines. Okay. I think both of you, Justin, you are also done. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are going to do the last part, vacuoles. Okay. It's not that much different. See, vacuoles storage check for solid and liquid content. So whatever solid content plants have or animals have, so it is stored in vacuoles. Okay. Animals, they have small size vacuoles, and plants, they have large size vacuoles. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write 2 points. Then I'll just tell you what you have to write. let's just finish this chapter today. So tomorrow I'll take your assessment for this test. Okay, I think both of you done, right? So now, wait. Okay, then just write this. Vacuoles helps the cell to perform. Don't write this. Write vacuoles helps the cell to perform functions like respiration, obtaining nutrition, and clearing of waste material or forming new proteins. Okay. Or okay, just don't write this. Just write this in simple form. Vacuoles are full of cell saps and provide rigidity rigidity to the cell. Just write this. This is important. Okay. And helps in added and helps in storing amino acids, sugar, various organic acids and protein. Okay.